Hi, I could not help but notice you. Tell me your name.
My name is Amy. What is your name?
My name is Bill. I was at the Video Village and you have a really interesting look.
You were at the village? And you came over to talk to me? And you saw me on camera, on the monitors at the village?
What is your nationality? You look really good.
What did everyone think of me?
They were only interested in the stars, not the background artist, but I couldn't help but notice you and I was wondering if you act as well.
Yes I do.
I was hoping you did. May I have your number? Maybe I could call you up and we can sit down and talk.
Do you think they would give me a line or two?
Not sure. You never know what will happen. Things change all the time.
Sure, you can call my agent.
Yes, that's great, but I'd like to get your number as well.
Well, okay, I guess that will be okay. Why not? I can give you my comp card.
Good on you.
I'm sorry, what do you do? I mean, you said you were at the village.
Oh, I'm the key grip.
The what?
The key grip.
But, you said you saw me at the village, and you noticed me.
That's right, but when I'm not producing and directing my own projects, I'm a key grip, and the village is where I go to remind myself what not to do on my own set.
What's a key grip?
That's not important.
I don't know, maybe you ought to just call my agent.
I have been at the Video Village on some very big shows, with some of the biggest names in Hollywood. And believe me when I say I know very well what not to do when doing my own projects.
I still would like to know. What is a key grip?
Cut. We need to take it from the top. What is your number?